Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Motorola Moto E7 Plus, let's go for the Play Store for the first. After that we have to go for the search pool and type here recorder. And we have to get this application. You can select one of them. I will go for this one. Click open. Accept the permission, and right now if you want to start the record you have to tap right here, and as you can see it start recording sounds. If you want to finish you have to click right here, and here we get our record. So let's check the quality of it. Start recording sounds. If you want to finish you have to click. So that's how you can record the sounds. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.